friends, welcome back to my classroom. Today is a great day. We're going to have so much fun learning about Saturn. Let's talk about some fun, interesting, or new facts about the planet Saturn. Before we start, are there any facts you already know about Saturn? Saturn is special for one reason. But first, let's talk about some other facts. First of all, Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. And did you know that Saturn is the second largest planet? Do you remember what the first largest is? Did you remember? It's Jupiter. The fifth planet from the Sun is the largest planet. Now, let's get to the thing that Saturn is the most famous for. When you think about Saturn, most people think about the planet's rings. Did you know that the rings are not solid? They're actually made up of millions and billions of small frozen particles. Some of those particles are as small as a grain of sand. That's amazing. I wonder how they know that. And did you know that Saturn is so large, it would take 9 planet Earths to go across Saturn? And here's one I didn't know. Did you know that if you were to put the planet Saturn in water, it would actually float? Saturn is the only planet that would float. Even the other planets that are made of gas wouldn't float in water. And do you know why it would float? Because much of the gas that makes up the planet Saturn is helium. And you know what helium is, right? Have you ever seen balloons that float off into the sky? They are filled with helium gas. Saturn is also very, very windy, and I bet it's cold too. The fastest winds on Earth are only 250 miles an hour, and they're over 1,000 miles an hour on Saturn. 1,000 miles an hour? Wow, that is very, very windy. And did you know that 1 year on Saturn is as many as 29 years on the planet Earth? But a day on Saturn is shorter. It's actually 10 hours and 14 minutes. That's a little bit confusing. Basically, what that means is that Saturn spins very, very quickly on its axis. But the years are so long because Saturn rotates very, very slowly around the Sun. And Saturn has 124 moons. I bet that is really pretty. The smallest moon is the size of a football stadium. Now, I think that's still pretty big, but I guess for a moon, it's pretty small. The largest moon is called Titan, and Titan is actually bigger than the planet Mercury. Wow! And Titan is the only moon in our entire solar system that has clouds. Something else I learned about Saturn is that it is very, very cold on the planet. In fact, the average temperature is negative 190 degrees Fahrenheit. That is so cold that there's no way human beings could survive on the planet Saturn. Wow, that was fun. I learned a lot. What was your favorite fact that you learned about Saturn? If you like this video, click the thumbs up and subscribe to come back to my classroom again. We'll have fun. I can't wait to see you again soon. Have a great day. Bye, friends.